After a hip around the house. Are these worth it? Do they work? I think these are 15 bucks, 20 bucks, something like that. But they make life just a little bit easier when you're not prying with a screwdriver and then ultimately ruining all of these, which you of course you have a bag of these laying around, right? But you can see that they have them little hooks, and those little hooks, one goes in there and one goes in there. And let me get close if I can without taking the light. There we go. See that? They work so nice. They make life so much easier. And I go through so many less of those little ultra cheap garbage. Boomer on a Harley. Yeah, I go through so many less of those freaking plastic cheap garbage push tab things. So do they work? Oh yeah, they work. I would definitely say if you're going to be working on any cars regularly, I'd have one of these, because doing it with a screwdriver just is not great. And you have the little pry thing that I'll show you in just a second. Yeah, if you compare it to this, there is no comparison which one's better. This one's way better. This thing just, it doesn't work. It works, but man, you've got to really reef on it and you end up messing everything up. This can semi not mess things up. Almost 90% of the time you're not ruining your little push thing. So yeah, I would definitely pick one of the orange handled ones up. Well, they're both kind of orange handled, aren't they? This one's more red, but the camera's picking it up as red. So yeah, I would definitely get one of those. These are nice, 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link. So this hat wrapper on the house. If you liked the video, hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.